Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are unboxing and showing you guys the Google Pixel 4a. Okay, so right away we see the 4a. It's a nice sleek design. So it's not overly thick. It fits in my hand very nice. In the box, you also get a manual, you get a charging cable, everything you need to use it with your computer, and different cables. So this little tool is normally for pulling out your SIM card, but if you're using Google Fi, you don't need a SIM card, which is really awesome. So this is it. I've had a Google Pixel 3a, and this is a sensor, so you can just use your thumb, not your thumb but your finger, and it turn your phone on. Looks like the camera is updated a little bit, so that's a good thing. Overall, it's a very nice, sleek looking phone. Got speakers down here, camera up in here. That's actually new versus the 3a. It was in the center, but now it's up in the corner here. Alright, so we've been setting everything up. We still have to finish setting things up, but we went ahead and turned on our fingerprint, which the Google Pixel 3a XL had that, which is awesome. That's how fast you can switch. So if you have your fingerprint, you can switch that quickly. It's definitely taken a little bit to get used to because it's so thin. Normally I have a protective case, so I'm going to go ahead and get a protective case for this. But yeah, one thing to know about this phone, it's different from the 3a because to go back, you swipe left. So as you can see, if I swipe left, I can go back. To bring up all your apps that you have up, you just swipe up and hold, and then you let go, and then you can go through whatever you were just viewing. So if we go home and we open, let's open this ink pad, and then we want to go to something else we were just looking at, you just go up, swipe up and hold, then we can go over and tap it just like that. Or if you want to get rid of it, go over here, swipe up, get rid of it. So yeah, as I've been playing with it, I like it. Everything's working great. Overall, I'm super happy, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I think you guys will like it too.